successful day, still in one piece and running.
Tatro got 2 in, 1 more to go.
I'm making a third run.
Third run is the one.
Is that what happened?
Anyway, I got that one.
Also 109, so you got out of it.
109. And so, anyway, so we got all the footage. Make sure you subscribe. My name is Helen. YouTube channel, Texas Curly 1979. Helen's Vlogs and Drag Race TV. Pick one, pick free. Subscribe them all. I will be there soon. Right now, I'm just enjoying life, and you subscribe and enjoy Tatro's videos. Here he is. Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
Hmm?
All right.
Alright, let's see. Tatro show he's doing here.
That works good.
Oh, you missed that. Alright, here's
Throw it
the
up on top.
coolest shirt again. Gotta see the coolest hat again. Alright, let me see it close up. Here it is.
Heavyweight.
Okay, this is crazy. This is our third run. Number 3. That's a record by itself. Number 3. Let's hope he does well. Didn't do so well the last time.
Next up, motorcycle 395.
Well, at least it's going that direction.
On track now with 395, we have no data.
It'd be really interesting to know more about that bike. It looked like a twin cylinder missing a jug. Interesting. Away he goes on course now. 395 on course.
Turn out to the right before tower side 2. He turned to the right.
Okay.
That's correct.
I'm crossing. Can I cross over to get him? I'm crossing track to go pick up 395.
All right, we're going to be on course hold here for a minute. Bike turned out to the right. Hopefully he's okay. Looks like he's moving, so he can't be too bad.
I asked several times. I said, yeah, 1, right? 395 requesting permission to cross.
All right.
Can you ask me to? All right, can you ask permission?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, poor guy's walking in the heat.
Yeah, we're on our way across the course right now. His radio's not working, I couldn't communicate.
Next.
Well, they made it 3 times. Well, 2.5. Take it just on the inside of the coach all the way back to the That's like, that was the speed of the gun. That's how it goes. You jinxed it.
You guys have a good day. Thank you.
You got it.